Hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Inspiring Trader. I don't know why my hair is like this, because of cap I think. So yesterday I have shared this logic of this gold trade. We have taken trade based on some logic. We bought it, but our stop loss was decided and we set our target also. I have explained in my previous video. I'll take you to the screen and I will show you the profit. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe this channel. Let me take you to the screen. All right. I hope you guys have learned what is called patience in trading, and look at this gold. Amazingly, it has just blasted as per our view, but it tested our patience. And I'll take you to the chart. See, what did I say over here? This is the level which I have mentioned over here, right? This one. So you can see here, it closed, it went up, and it came down. Okay, looking at all these candles like red candles, if you are panicking, as I always say, then you have to work on your emotions. Look at the blast, and I have also given that conservative target. I'm still holding. My target will be like 1811. I will partially book, and based on some other price action I may also book. So I hope you guys are enjoying this trading journey along with me. You are making money, you are making profit, and I'm outside and I'm in coffee shop. So I just opened this. I had some few work and I was just watching. And I have also mentioned yesterday that at this particular time, especially in Qatar, 3:13. Right now it is 3:40, and in India it's maybe like 6:30, and in Dubai it is 4:30. This is the timing which it will give a big monster move, and it will be very volatile, and it's good for traders. So yes, we have waited for I think almost 24 hours since yesterday, and and now it is giving the fruits. So I hope you guys are enjoying, and if you have not subscribed this channel, do subscribe and hit the like button and hit the notification button. All right, then I'll see you in my next video. I'll update in my Telegram channel. Bye bye. Thank you very much.